If you want to create things that are bigger and bolder and brighter and better than ever before, if you want to make a really big breakthrough, you need the space to make that happen. And today's Feng Shui is all about creating the space in your life to make a breakthrough. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention, which is a revolutionary method of Feng Shui and school of Feng Shui based on infinite possibility, the fact that every single thing in the world is possible and amazing breakthroughs are also possible right now. Creative awakening, because that's how you create the breakthroughs and all the manifestation that you want, and your intention, your wishes, dreams, and desires coming to life. We're actually headed into this season of breakthrough making Feng Shui with the breakthrough camp coming soon. And below, you'll find a free video class full of over an hour of Feng Shui to help you to literally set up your home to be ready to receive bigger, bolder, better things than ever before. So sign up below for those videos. You won't want to miss them. They're only up for a few weeks every year. And now we're going to dive into today's Feng Shui, which can really get the ball rolling. Because if you want to create bigger, bolder, brighter, better, anything, if you want more abundance, you need the space for it, literally and energetically. So literally you need the space for the new things. If you want new abundance, you have to have a place to put it. If you want a new car, you got to have a place to park it. If you want new clothes, you need to have space for them in your closet. Now, if you want to shift into a new paradigm, if you want to get into a level up of life, you want to change the things you see around you. You want to elevate those things you see so that they match the new level that you're stepping into. You want to really raise the roof higher energetically. And in order to do that, you got to get rid of the clutter. And this clutter specifically, when we're talking about making a big breakthrough, is getting rid of the stuff that you have just simply outgrown. It is no longer a match for you. It no longer resonates with you. It's no longer for you. So go through your house and ask yourself, have I outgrown this? There are some kitchen things in my kitchen that I have outgrown. I just don't use them anymore. I'm past them. I'm beyond them. I thought they were really cool at the moment, but I have no need for them. I can pass them on to people who can use them. You might have other things that you wouldn't have considered clutter before, but you realize now, I've moved on. I've outgrown this. Books that you've outgrown, you might have loved them, and now it's like, I don't need these anymore. So many opportunities exist in your environment to let things go, to make space for the new. Now, the second piece of this is creating energetic space in your life. Declutter the energy drains in your lifestyle every day that are obvious to you right now. So what's an obvious thing that you do that drains your energy? Maybe it's multitasking. Multitasking is very hard on your mind. It's also very, very hard to focus and actually bring your best to everything that you do. And it can also be stressful because there's so many things happening at once. Another really big drain that is so incredibly common is scrolling on social media just because. Not because it's fun, but just on automatic. So the key is to reclaim your time from all of these energy drains. And now these might not be your energy drains. You might have other energy drains. You know what they are. Decide that you are done with them and reclaim your time so that you can focus on either the things that you love, your passion projects, or having real leisure time to do things that you enjoy. One final idea for you that can help you to create some literal space in your life and also energetic space in your life is to create a to-do list with priorities. And this is so important. If you have a mile-long list of things to do every day, you might find yourself scattered. You might find that you are rushing and trying to get so much done, and yet at the end of the day, the big things don't happen. And if you're trying to level up your life, you want those big, important things to get done. So one of the best things that you can do, and one of the things that is so simple, is to make your to-do list and circle your priorities every day. 2 or 3 priorities every day, not 10, not 20, just a few. These are the things to do that are going to be key, that are going to move the needle in all the ways that you are looking to grow all the important, vital things so that you can focus. And when you focus, again, you're going to feel so much more powerful. And one bonus tip to optimize your mind, it can be very helpful if you do the hardest thing on your to-do list first. If you do the hardest thing on your to-do list first, it can really start waves of great productivity in your day. It can make the rest of the day feel very triumphant, like you got one big thing done. And it's also really using your energy, your focused energy, and using your mind, your optimal mind power. Because at the beginning of the day, the first things you do will have the most optimal brain power, decision-making power, all of the things. So do the hard thing first and it can be excellent. So from creating space by reclaiming your time, creating space by decluttering your space, and creating space by prioritizing your schedule and really using your energy in the most effective ways, you'll find that you have so much more energy, so much more focus, and you start building so much more momentum. And momentum is what we want. If you're looking to just leap into a higher level of life, getting in a flow is where the abundance is. That's in Feng Shui. Flowing energy brings you abundance. And so we want to get into the most positive momentum, have so much fun with this. If you have questions, comments, leave them below. I love to hear from you. And don't forget, the free Feng Shui class to make a breakthrough is linked below. So sign up now and get started. It's such a revolutionary video series. It's the most advanced next level video series because this is the most advanced next level topic. It's time to make giant breakthroughs. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel so much, and I appreciate you helping to get the work out into the world. This entire channel's always full of videos for you to explore. Have so much fun, and I'll be back soon.